everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here, and for today's video I have another Dormify haul and unboxing for you guys. A lot of people seem to like that video, so I was like, okay, so I had to place another order like last week, and I was like, I'll just do another one. So the package arrived today, kind of like later than I expected, because I was like home all day and I was pretty bored, and I was like, I really hope it like comes soon so I can do my video. And then it like rained really hard, and I was like, okay, like I'm not gonna be able to have the natural lighting, and it's kind of ugly outside now, but like the lighting still looks good. Basically, in today's haul I have a lot of different like decor items and some storage pieces that I'm going to be taking to college with me. I also have like another thing that's like in my living room, but it's like really big, and it I have to like build it and put it together. So like I'll talk about it and like show like a picture of it when I actually get to that. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing, and if you guys do, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, leave some nice comments down below, and of course subscribe for more videos just like these ones. Alright, so first off, for those of you who are not familiar with Dormify, first of all, you can check out the other unboxing that I have of my bedding stuff in the cards above. But if you are not familiar with like what Dormify is, it's basically a website that puts together a bunch of different bedroom items, storage items, decor items for small apartments and dorm rooms. They really are focused on dorm rooms because, like, in all honesty, shopping for dorm stuff is pretty difficult because you need a lot of things. Online, the website that actually have a checklist that tells you everything you need and where you can shop it on their site. So for college students or young adults living in an apartment, Dormify is the place to go. And a lot of their stuff is super trendy, super cute, and I personally love it. But if you are going to college or you need to shop for a dorm or small apartment, you can use my code, which I will link down below, to get 20% off of your Dormify purchase. And honestly, 20% off of a large purchase can really go a long way. And just so you guys know, now through Sunday, which I don't know what day that is, but it's their 4th of July sale, entire site is 20% off site-wide off of everything, which is an awesome deal. I don't know if you can use my coupon combined with that to get 40% off, but like it's totally worth a try if you would want to give that a try. But yeah, and then just for clarification, I am not sponsored by them. I am what is known as a Dormify student ambassador, so I was like chosen by them to represent their brand in a way, but like I don't get paid at all. Pretty fun. I was featured on their Instagram stories, which was like a super exciting and like big deal, and I was like, oh my goodness, like I'm on their Instagram story. So now that I have my little spiel, let's get into the actual unboxing because I am super excited. Alright, so now I'm going to go cut my box open. And if you saw my last haul, it was like a total fail. So let's see how this goes. This box is like really tall too. Alright, so first I'm going to show you guys like the smaller things that I got with this order. And it's a lot of decor pieces, so I think it'll be a little bit more interesting. The first thing I got, it's the Impressions Vanity mirror, like for my desk. It has lights on it and it just looks super like sleek and nice. I personally get ready on my desk. Like I don't have a separate vanity. I don't use the bathroom to get ready. I get ready on my desk. At college, I wasn't planning on like having a vanity or anything, so just add this to my desk and I'll pretty much be good to go. So I'm excited about that. The next thing I got is wallpaper, and you're probably like, okay sis, like you are extra. And yeah, I am, but like on like the picture I was going off of, like from Dormify, the wallpaper like really like made the room look so much more like home and like so much less like a dorm room, and the walls look so plain and so boring like when I went to orientation. So I was like, I need something, and I'm not really a tapestry kind of person, like I don't know, just not me. So I got the peel and stick new wallpaper, and it's removable obviously. So yeah, I will like insert pictures of like what it's supposed to look like somewhere so you guys aren't like, oh, this girl is crazy. And okay guys, this next thing shows how obsessed I am with marble, and like you know me, you know I love marble, so I had to get this marble dry erase board. Like, it's freaking marble. It looks so cute. I saw the marble one and I was like, oh my gosh, like I need that. Like, that is literally so me. So I thought it was totally adorable. Next thing I got, I'm gonna like actually open so you guys can like see what it looks like. Alright, so this next thing I got is a super cute hanging sign, and it actually has hooks on it. I thought this would be super cute to hang kind of near my desk area to keep like my keys on, my lanyards, and then a couple of necklaces. I'm not like a real necklace kind of person, but I thought like with the hooks it would just be kind of convenient. Maybe like a little purse or something could go on it too. Okay, so this is my photo hang display, and this is like kind of what it's supposed to look like. I'll put a picture here. I do have to open it eventually, but like I'm not gonna do that right now. I probably won't actually open it until I get to college. But this is just gonna be like my one photo display that I have for like pictures of me, my boyfriend, my friends, that kind of thing. I don't like really want to junk my room up with pictures way too much, so I think one of them is good. Like there's two of them right there, and like I'm not really feeling it, so I think one is good. I also got it in the color white, so I think it'll be really cute to put by my bed. So I finally got this thing open after like 5 minutes, but this is my other sign that I got. It says good vibes, and this is all like genuine wood, and it smells so good. It smells amazing, but it just says good vibes. And if you didn't know, I'm doing my room in blue and gray, so that's the vibe we're going with. I think it is super adorable and cute. Alright, so then the other thing that I got, they are like under the bed storage bins, and they're in the color gray, and they have like a really nice zipper thing on top. So I'm planning on putting like leggings, jeans, sweatshirts, sweatpants, and maybe some t-shirts down there, and I got 3 of them, and they're pretty roomy, so hopefully that'll store a lot of my clothes. I also got a like kind of like a bedside table thing, but it has outlets on it and more storage space, and I'll put like a picture of it somewhere. It's out in my living room because I have to actually build it and put it together. Alright guys, so that is pretty much everything I got from this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below on what your favorite decoration piece that I bought was, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos if you are new here. So don't forget to shop Dormify if you want some awesome decor and awesome bedding stuff for your dorm room or small apartment, and use my code, it's down below. So yeah, have fun, happy shopping, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!